and Paul Rodriguez.
Welcoming him back to Street League. Man, 30. And here we go. Paul Rodriguez. He is back. He was talking about it earlier. He's nervous. Just send him those good vibes.
Nice nollie crooked grind, little tic-tac. I love that. Nollie frontside nose slide. He'll take it. Nice frontside carve. Moving into frontside blunt slide of cleanliness. Paul's such a legendary street skater. Really helped us develop skating both ways. That was a switch frontside blunt slide. And Paul really was, you know, one of the modern pioneers of switch skating. After the first major pioneer, Mark Gonzalez, Salman Agar, and many others to note. That was a great first line for Paul. Hopefully that shakes off some of that nerves that he had.
So right now the average score for eighth place, is a 7.1. Scores in 5.4.
Score on the board.
That's right. It is a score on the board. Rodriguez dropping in for single trick number 1.
He got the flick, just got a little bit of wheel bite. Came a little bit on his heel side. Looking good out there though, Paul.
Paul Rodriguez.
You could hear him bonk that rail on the way up again.
Get in there.
Oh my goodness!
Oh man, that little hand down turnaround. That's gonna take away. But man, that was a good switch backside.
That was a classic Paul Rodriguez. Switch like that. Cool.
4.5.
Paul setting up switch. Switch backside tail side, going to do a flip out, but it's stuck on him a little bit there.
Look at that. Felipe